I am about to show you guys the quickest way to change your YouTube banner using your iPhone. Let's get into it.
All we know here is the win. Fabulous going with the win.
So what I do is I download Google Chrome off of iOS, and then I proceed to type in youtube.com, which will bring me to this page right here. Once you get to your main YouTube page, you're going to see these options. So what you can do is click on your profile picture. Once again, click on your profile picture and search for your data in YouTube, as you see me doing right here. Scroll down and you will see your data in YouTube. You're going to click on your data in YouTube and it's going to bring you to this page right here. Once you get to this page right here, you're going to click on your subscription count. So for me, I only have one at the moment, but you might have like 12. Just click on your subscription and then it should bring you to this page right here. Sorry for this pop-up. It's not usually happening, but once you click on your subscription count, it should bring you to this page right here. Then after that, you're going to proceed to click back onto your YouTube profile picture, and then it's going to bring you right back to this setting again. Once you get back to this setting, what you're going to do is click desktop. Once you get to desktop mode, this is how your screen should look. So once you get to this setting, what you're going to do is you're going to click on your channel at the top. And then once you get to that setting where it says your channel, that's where you'll see where you're able to change your banner art, or you're able to change your subscription count. I can get into that as well in this video. So here it says customize channel, manage videos, things like that. Below you see your videos, your playlists, your channels, your discussions, what your channel is about, things like that. This is just basically the whole interface. Then what you're going to do is you're going to click YouTube Studio. So once you get to YouTube Studio, what you're going to do is continue to the studio. And then once you get to the studio, you're going to see here where you can customize your channel. So you'll have your layout, your branding, your basic information. You'll be able to view your channel should you make any changes. Once you make any changes, what you can do is go ahead and publish it. Once you publish it, basically it's going to be active on your page in that moment. There's also other things that you can do at the sides. There's other options on your channel as well. And just to give you guys a little something extra, I'm going to show you how to turn off your subscription count as well. So in the second part of this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your subscriber count. So what you can do is just go to the settings option. Then what you're going to do is click on the channel option on the side. Once you click on the channel option, you're able to click on the advanced settings. Once you get to advanced settings, this is where you'll be able to change your subscriber count. What you're going to do is just scroll down. As you can see me doing here in the video, I'm scrolling down and I'm going to where it says subscriber count and I'm unclicking it. So there you're able to like show your subscription or unshow it. And once you click on it, you are able to go back and unclick it if you wanted to show your subscription count in the future. I personally take mine off because I don't want to focus on it, but it's your option. I'm just showing you a way how you can take off your subscriber count if you wanted to just focus on great content and not so much on how much subscribers you get. It also helps you not to worry about your subscriber count every time you get subscription. So as you can see, once you go on my page, you no longer see how much subscribers I have, and all it just shows you is just a blank space. So that's just an option for you.